It's okay. I can calm down now, you know.
Hello, this is Boyos Network. Thanks for stopping by. I do really appreciate. Please, I would like you to drop your comment in the comment section, like, subscribe, and share our video. Once again, thanks for stopping by. There is this trending video that surfaced online today about Prophet Odumeje'S. And in this trending video making wave on social media, Prophet Odumeje'S was seen being harassed by security operatives that was at the scene where his church was being demolished. When I saw this video, I felt so bad. Forget the fact that he's a prophet or he's a pastor, whether fake or whether real. I'm not here to dispute or to discuss about it. I'm not here to discuss how genuine he is or not. All I know is that this attack is cruel, is inhuman, and violation of dignity. When you go through the social media comments, you see different kinds of comments. There is no man or woman, born of a woman, that will open his eyes and see his own property being demolished without reacting, no matter what. I know yes, he cannot fight the government. That one is true, that he cannot fight the government. But as far as you are a human being, blood is flowing in your body. There is no way you will not react. You must definitely react. Those buildings before now, I believe it was approved by somebody. So governments, before they take action, they should try and look for a professional way of taking this action. That is the truth. Whether na pastor or not be pastor, we know say yes, why you won't come up now na pastor, because so many other people they there will be say they still break their own. People no pinpoint them. The government should on their own part look for professional ways of carrying out their activities. They should get professionals. Actually, this is very sad and unprofessional on the part of the government. Whether we like it or not, the security man we don't do his own work. Now who he represent, now government he represent. Meanwhile, an official of the Mountain of Holy Ghost Intervention Deliverance Ministry, Onitsha, has come out to dismiss the widespread reports that the church is demolished. That is the worship center. In a Facebook Live via their official page, the official made a video contrary to the rumor that is going around. According to him, he pointed out that the church was not demolished. That what was demolished was the security post that was in front of the church. He said it's a little bit close to the drainage. That was what was demolished. In the video, he also shows other parts of the church was still intact. I'm going to drop the video for you guys to watch. Please, after watching, drop your comment in the comment section. I would like to hear your opinion and what to think about all of this happening. Thanks for stopping by. I do really appreciate.
Of course, you can see as the rumor is going viral that the Odumeje'S church has been demolished. This is contrary to what happened. That is false. Odumeje'S church has not been demolished, but the security house at the front of Odumeje'S church, the security house, security post, that is a little bit close to the drainage. That is what was demolished. You can see Odumeje'S church is still intact. The security post is what was demolished, not Odumeje'S church. So please, the Lions family all over the world, let us be notified that our church is not in an obstructive way. Our church is still intact. Nothing happened to it. Our church has not been demolished. Once more again, you can see the church of Mountain of Holy Ghost Intervention Deliverance Ministry, Odumeje'S church. You can see it in tabs. Nothing happened to it. Even no part of it was touched. Everything is okay. The whole building is still standing firm. Nothing happened to it. It has not been demolished according to the gossipers, because of course everybody wants to hear bad news against Jesus. But Jesus stands forever. He told us that he rebuilt his church and the pit of hell will not prevail. No matter the gang up of gang of men that don't love good works. Odumeje'S has been serving people that the devil want to destroy through sickness and so on. But because men of this world don't love what is good, they don't love good works. Even in the days of Jesus, they killed Jesus because Jesus was killed because he was saving people, and they gather against him. The Pharisees and Sadducees gather against him, and they now killed him because he's doing good work. Because that is what you can see happening here in Onitsha City. You can see Odumeje'S church is intact. We are inside the church now. Everywhere, right around the church is intact. Nothing happened to it. You can see the altar area to the edge. Of course, you can see the other area. You can see the other area to the front of the church. You can see the gallery everywhere. This is the front of the church, which is the entrance zone. Coming inside the church, everywhere is intact. The gallery everywhere is intact. Of course, you can see the other side of the gutter, which they remove the face. They remove the fence, but not the church. The church is still intact. The Lions family all over the world. Please take note of this. Everything is intact. Nothing happened. You can see everything is intact. The church is intact. Nothing happened to Odumeje'S church. Jesus has built his church, and no wickedness of the heart of man by this enemy Satan can prevail. You can see everything is intact. Odumeje'S church is not demolished. You are watching live and direct here from Onitsha City, and notifying you of what happened today, 7th of July 2022. You are watching live and direct. Of course, watch. You can see the drainage. You can see the drainage. You can see drainage. That is what the state government is working on. But because of envy and jealousy, they leave what they should do and begin to demolish the fence, which is not supposed to. They leave draining the gutter. Instead of draining the gutter so wide, waste space gutter that you can even play football, they leave it and started demolishing the fence because of conspiracy. Instead of draining the waterway, which is the gutter, they leave it and begin to demolish the fence. You can see the church is intact. Thank you so much. It's live and direct from Onitsha. From Onitsha here, today 7th of July 2022. Here in the World Miracle Center, you can see at the back of the church, you can see GO warehouse, GO group of companies, GO transport, the warehouse. Thank you so much. The good people of the world, the good people of Intervention family. Thank you so much. We have seen it with your eyes that any other thing than this is false rumor. Thank you.